Two Poles joined the crew in 2025. Cybernetics and robotics ready to dive. From Trondheim to Waterlink, they came with fresh ideas. Testing Sonar 3D15 on ROV frontiers. They wrote the doc, shot footage clear. Pipelines, pylons, wrecks appeared. The game slam, point clouds grew. Robots mapping seas in 3D view. It was a summer slam dunk. Ole, ole, ole. What a summer slam dunk. Ole, ole, ole. Yeah, let's summer slam dunk in Waterlink. Ole, ole, ole. Freedom and trust from day one on the team. Not just interns, they live the dream. Independence, flow, coordination too. Building skills that stick, technical and true. Memorable moments when Slam came alive. Earlier than expected, week one surprise. Hands-on, integrated, everything clicked. Future engineers at Waterlink. It was a summer slam dunk. Ole, ole, ole. What a summer slam dunk. Ole, ole, ole. Yeah, let's summer slam dunk in Waterlink. Ole, ole, ole. Workation trips and a summer bash. Mario Kart races, pizza stash. Johnny took the crown, but LH's speed showed the true racer's creed. Book talks with laughter, the power of now. The olds made friends, and wow. At Waterlink we learn, we play, we grow. Best internship, let the whole world know. Was a summer slam dunk. Ole, ole, ole. What a summer slam dunk. Ole.